this workshop we just held, we've been reflecting about our careers, about the professional paths we can follow in our life, and how we need to keep our minds very open. Some way, limit our limiting beliefs, exclude them from the equation. We don't need to be thinking in a very extremely rational way about our futures. We also need to give some space to our dreams and our interests, our hopes. We have gone through concepts like Ikigai or concepts like the Jonah complex, as well as the Gallup strengths theory that help us understand and think more about our future steps and how to consider a long-term goal that will be really satisfying for us.
In the era of disruption, companies need to identify talent that are able to adapt to the challenges that we are facing. This learning by doing principle helps students to face real challenges that are happening in the real life. And on the other hand, we have companies that have the chance to identify that talent in a win-win collaboration. At ESCP, we have two different models. One is the live case studies, in which companies come to the school to provide a real challenge. And on the other hand, we have the consultancy projects in which students get involved in project teams, actually facing real challenges in a company. It's a win-win situation in which both students and companies get to collaborate together and to help students get into the labor market.